Today at Blade Ops, we thought we would show you just how easy it is to swap out your pocket clip for one of our titanium pocket clips for the Boker Kalashnikov. We've actually gotten a lot of requests on this, and it is quite simple actually. So first things first, you're going to want a Torx bit, size T6, and then we're going to go for this little screw right here that holds the clip. We're going to make sure that we want to get that one all the way out. Then all you have to do is go for this screw right here. You don't even have to take it out. All you got to do is just loosen it, and then take your thumb, push up on the clip, pops right off. Then we're going to take our titanium clip, put it in that little gap right there, slide it in, make sure you're lined up with the hole on there, take your screw, screw it all the way back in. We want to make sure that we go back to this screw that we just loosened. And you're all set and good to go with your new titanium clip for the Boker Kalashnikov. So make sure to get your new clip today at Blade Ops.